The Traveller's Prayer. A traveller may, when moving from one place to another during his temporary residence which lasts less than 4 days, shorten the 4 rak'ah prayers to 2 each. Thus, he offers 2 units, rakat, singular rak'ah, instead of 4 for the afternoon prayer, dur, the late afternoon prayer, asr, and the late evening prayer, isha, unless he prays behind a resident prayer leader, imam, in which case he must follow suit. He may leave off the supererogatory prayers that are regularly offered with the obligatory ones, as sunan ar-rawatib, with the exception of the fajr supererogatory prayer. He may combine the afternoon prayer, dur, and the late afternoon prayer, asr, and the sunset prayer, maghrib, and late evening prayer, isha, at the due time of either of them. This serves to ease the hardship he undergoes while travelling.